Looking for the right cordless drill without wasting money on the wrong one? Here's a clear ranking of 5 popular models, from the weakest pick to the one that stands out the most. In 5th place, we have the BLACK+DECKER option. This one is the most basic drill in the lineup, and you can feel that right away because it is really aimed at simple jobs around the house, not bigger projects. What it does well is keep things easy. You get a light drill, a battery, a charger, and even a 30-piece accessory kit, so it feels like a starter pack. If you just need to hang curtains, put together furniture, or fix things once in a while, this can help you without making things complicated. Compared with the others, it is more about convenience than raw strength. But there's a problem. The 3/8 inch chuck is smaller than the 1/2 inch chucks on the stronger models, so you have less flexibility with bigger bits. And with only one battery, runtime is more limited too. Next to the Bosch, it feels less refined, and next to the DEWALT or MAKITA, it is clearly less capable for tougher drilling. This might work for you if you want the simplest and most affordable pick for light home use. And if that sounds like enough, it can still get the job done. By the way, links to all the products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In 4th place, I'd put the Bosch. This drill is not here because it's weak in a bad way. It's here because it plays a different game. It is built for compact size, low weight, and control, not for brute force. In my experience, this is the kind of drill you appreciate when you're working in a cabinet, above your head, or in some awkward corner where a larger tool feels like too much. At only 2.0 pounds, it is by far the easiest one to handle in this group. You also get 2 batteries, which is a real plus. Compared with the BLACK+DECKER, it feels more serious and more polished, even though the numbers do not make it look much bigger on paper. The downside is simple. It is still a 12-volt class tool with a 3/8 inch chuck, so it cannot match the all-around strength of the 18-volt and 20-volt drills here. For bigger holes, tougher wood, or heavier jobs, the CRAFTSMAN, DEWALT, and especially the MAKITA all have a clear edge. So if you want one drill to do everything, this may feel a little limited. Still, for people who care more about comfort than maximum power, this one makes a lot of sense. It is a smart pick for light to medium work in tight spots. And before we move on, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. In 3rd place, we have the CRAFTSMAN. This is where the list starts to feel more balanced because now you're getting a full-size chuck and a more traditional all-around drill shape. Here's why it matters. The 1/2 inch chuck gives it better flexibility than the 2 drills below it, and the 2-speed setup means it can handle both screw driving and general drilling pretty well. For a budget-friendly drill, it covers the basics nicely. Compared with the Bosch, it is stronger for more typical DIY work. And compared with the BLACK+DECKER, it feels like a step up into a more useful everyday tool. But it still has a ceiling. The brushed motor is fine, not special, and the single 1.3 ampere-hour battery is not great if you want longer runtime. Its 280 UWO output also leaves it behind the DEWALT, which gives you a bit more power plus a better kit. So while the CRAFTSMAN is solid, it does not quite have the same value once you compare the whole package. This might work for you if you want a straightforward cordless drill with a full-size chuck and no extra fuss. It is a decent middle ground option, but if you want a stronger kit overall, the next 2 make a better case. In 2nd place, I'd go with the DEWALT. This one feels like the safe choice in the best way. It is compact, proven, and better rounded than the CRAFTSMAN. Check this out. You get a 1/2 inch chuck, a 2-speed transmission, and 300 UWO of output, which gives it a little more punch than the CRAFTSMAN. But the bigger win is the kit itself. You get 2 batteries instead of 1, and that makes a real difference in day-to-day use. Compared with the Bosch, it is much more capable for general drilling. Compared with the CRAFTSMAN, it is the more complete package. The reason it does not take first place is that it still uses a brushed motor, and it is not really built for heavier duty work. It is strong enough for most home projects, sure, but next to the MAKITA, it looks older and less efficient. The Makita is faster, stronger, and more serious if you push your tools harder. So who should buy this one? I'd say people who want a dependable all-around drill for home projects, garage work, and regular DIY jobs. It is easy to recommend. But if you want the strongest and most capable option in this group, there's still one more to look at. And in first place, the Makita takes it. This is the drill in this lineup that feels the most complete once you actually compare power, speed, motor type, and overall capability side by side. Here's what I found. It has a brushless motor, a 1/2 inch chuck, up to 1,900 revolutions per minute, and 440 inch-pounds of torque. That gives it a clear performance lead over the rest. Compared with the DEWALT, it is stronger and faster. Compared with the CRAFTSMAN, it is in a different class. And while the BOSCH wins on portability, the Makita is the one that looks most ready for real all-around work. Now, it is not perfect. You only get one battery in the kit, which is a bit annoying when the DEWALT gives you two. And it is heavier than the BOSCH, so it is not the one I'd pick for the lightest overhead work. But those trade-offs are easier to accept because the performance jump is real. This might work for you if you want one drill here that can cover the widest range of jobs without feeling underpowered. For home use, DIY, and even more demanding tasks, this is the strongest pick in the group. Check the links in the description under the video to see the top products and current prices. And if this review helped you narrow it down, like the video and subscribe to the channel.